Good day everyone, I am Julius L. Lasso, a third-year BSBA HRM student. In this presentation, I will be answering the guide question from our activity in Chapter 7, Quality Management in HR Projects. Let's begin with the first question. What is quality management and why is it important in HR projects? Quality management is the process of ensuring that a project meets required standards and satisfies stakeholder expectations. It is important in HR project because it builds trust and credibility, improves employee performance and satisfaction, reduces rework, and support continuous improvement. For example, in an HR training project, quality management ensures that the training material and delivery methods are effective and aligned with the learning objectives, resulting in better employee skills and outcomes. Question number 2. Explain the differences between quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control. Quality planning, quality assurance, and quality control are three key components of quality management that serve different purposes in a project. Quality planning focuses on setting standards and identifying how to achieve them, such as establishing a 90% training satisfaction target. Quality assurance ensures that a process are properly followed and met standards, while quality control checks the actual results, such as reviewing feedback after training. Together, they work as a system where planning sets expectations, assurance ensures proper implementation, and control verifies that the desired quality is achieved. Question number 3. How does quality management contribute to employee satisfaction and organizational success? Quality management contributes to employee satisfaction by ensuring that HR programs and services meet employees' needs and expectations. It improves organizational success by enhancing performance, reducing errors, and promoting continuous improvement. When processes are well designed and consistently monitored, employees feel more supported and engaged in their work. For example, a well-managed HR training program that delivers relevant content and gathered feedback can improve employee skills, satisfaction, and overall productivity. Question number 4. What tools and techniques can be used to measure quality in HR projects? Various tools and techniques can be used to measure quality in HR projects, including checklists, flowcharts, fishbone diagrams, Pareto charts, and control charts. Checklist ensures that all required tasks, such as onboarding steps, are completed, while flowcharts help visualize processes like recruitment to identify inefficiencies. Fishbone diagram and Pareto charts helps analyze root causes, prioritize major issues such as employee turnover or common errors. Control charts track performance trends over time, helping HR teams monitor results and make improvements that enhance overall project outcomes. Question number 5. Using the PDCA cycle or the Plan, Do, Check, Act, explain how continuous improvement can be applied in HR projects. The PDCA cycles improves HR project through a continuous process of planning, implementing, evaluating, and refining actions. In the plan phase, an HR team identifies issues such as employee satisfaction with training programs. In the do phase, they implement changes like updating training materials or improving delivery methods. Then in the check phase, they evaluate feedback and performance results. In the act phase, successful improvements are standardized and applied across all departments to ensure consistent and better outcomes. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.